The Bible says in the book of Acts chapter 16 verse 25, during midnight, Paul and Silas were singing praises unto the Lord. And while they were singing praises unto the Lord, the other prisoners were listening. Unto verse 26, and suddenly came an earthquake. Which means that if they did not listen to Silas and Paul, their praiser, chances are they were not going to get their deliverance. But suddenly, because they listened, look, it's midnight, I'm supposed to be sleeping, but I'm listening, but they are listening. They were supposed to be sleeping, but they were listening to Paul and Silas praising. And because of them listening, they got their deliverance, which therefore means to me, to you and me actually, let us be cautious of what we listen to. Because had they not listened, we do not know. Maybe iminyango, they would not have been broken. Maybe if they did not listen to them praising, they would have not gotten their freedom. But because they listened, which also means that uNkulunkulu can send you in a particular place, because he knows that once you get there, your prayers and your praises won't only give you deliverance, but will also set people free. Which means be cautious of where you've been placed by God. Be cautious of where you've been placed by God. And be also attentive of what you listen to, because suddenly something might happen.